Hi guys, in today's video I am showing you how to make 3D text in CapCut. The process is simple and easy. Import your video in the CapCut and drag it to the timeline of CapCut. As you can see, I already do both things. The next thing you have to do is you need to add text. And how can you do it? Take a look on the left top. From these options, tap on the option text. In the text menu, select the last one. Add text, and here, choose this default, tap on it, and paste it on the top of your video and adjust the duration of it to make sure it covers the entire video. Now on the right top you can see a box. Here you can write your desired text. Just for showing you, I will write. After writing it, arrange the position of your text to where you want to show. Just like me, I want to show it on the top of my video. After doing it, tap on this option tracking and tap on this one motion tracking. And make sure you have enabled both feature, scale, and distance. And the direction will be in both. After selecting these, tap on the option start, then it will start processing, and it will take some time because it depends upon your video duration, because my video is just for about 10 seconds. So that's why it will not take too much time. But if your video will be longer, then it will take more time than mine. So now the process has been completed. The next thing you have to do is tap on this option text. And in the text menu, you have to select this template. And here you can search for your desired template because we want to make our text 3D. I will write here, 3D. After writing, search for it. And here are the 3D effects from these. Select which you like the most. Just for showing you, I will select this one. So I am tapping on it, and now you can see my text has been changed to 3D. Let's play the video in full screen. As you can see now, my text is in 3D mode. So it was the primary way by which you can make 3D text in CapCut.